Drop it.
How baking soda can help you to get rid of acne. Acne refers to a skin condition in which your pores or hair follicles become clogged with excess sebum or dead skin cells. When these clogged pores become infected, the surrounding skin becomes red and inflamed, very often with a pus-filled white or yellow center. Baking soda is a versatile household ingredient that has been used in various home remedies for a wide variety of purposes. Note, as baking soda has a drying and exfoliating effect on skin, it can be mildly irritating on the skin. Always do a patch test before proceeding with full-scale application. Method 1. Baking soda and water. You can simply mix baking soda with water to prepare a simple but highly effective paste to get rid of acne. As baking soda can have a drying effect on skin, you should follow this mask with a light oil-free moisturizer to rehydrate your skin. Steps: take 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl. Add just enough water to make a smooth runny paste. Dip in a Q-tip and apply the baking soda paste on the acne. Leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with cool or lukewarm water. Gently pat dry your face with a soft towel and apply an oil-free moisturizer to prevent your skin from becoming too dry. Method 2. Baking soda and honey. Raw honey has long been used in traditional medicine to heal wounds because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that also make it an excellent remedy for acne. Honey rehydrates your skin and also prevents loss of moisture by binding the moisture particles to your skin. Things you'll need: baking soda, absorbs oil and acts as an exfoliant. 1 tablespoon raw honey, acts as humectant. 1 tablespoon. Step 1. Combine baking soda and honey. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a container. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey to it. Step 2. Mix well and apply on acne. Mix well and apply. To use baking soda for acne, go for spot treatment. Use a cotton swab to apply the mask over acne and pimples. Keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash your face with lukewarm water. Gently pat dry your face using a soft towel and apply an oil-free moisturizer to lock in the moisture. Method 3. Baking soda and lemon. Lemon is another natural ingredient that can be combined with baking soda for acne treatment. This bright yellow tropical fruit is rich in vitamin C or ascorbic acid that boosts the production of collagen, thereby enabling faster repair of acne-affected skin. Note: both baking soda and lemon juice are strong ingredients and may prove to be too harsh for those with sensitive skin. Hence, we recommend that you do a 24-hour patch test to gauge how this mask reacts with your skin. Things you'll need: baking soda, absorbs oil and acts as an exfoliant. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, freshly squeezed, natural bleaching agent. 1 teaspoon water, as required. Step 1. Combine baking soda, lemon juice, and water in a container. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a container. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Add just enough water to make a smooth, runny paste. Step 2. Mix well and apply on acne-affected areas. Mix everything thoroughly to get a uniform blend. Use a cotton swab to apply baking soda and lemon paste over acne-affected areas. Leave it on for 15 minutes, and then rinse your face with lukewarm water. Gently pat dry your face and apply an oil-free moisturizer. Method 4. Baking soda and coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil has potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that make it an excellent remedy for acne. Things you'll need: baking soda, absorbs oil and acts as an exfoliant. 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, as required. Step 1. Combine baking soda and coconut oil in a bowl. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a small mixing bowl. Add just enough melted coconut oil to make a smooth paste and mix well. Step 2. Apply the baking soda and coconut oil paste to get rid of acne. Apply the blend on acne spots. Use a cotton swab to apply baking soda and coconut oil paste on acne affected areas. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash your face with lukewarm water. Pat dry gently with a soft towel and apply a light oil-free moisturizer. Method 5. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar helps regulate the phase balance of your skin and also eliminate acne-causing bacteria. When mixed with baking soda, it works to reduce and dry out the red inflamed bumps to give you smooth and clear skin. Things you'll need: baking soda, absorbs oil and acts as an exfoliant, 1 tablespoon raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, 1 tablespoon water, as required. Step 1. Mix baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and water. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Add just enough water to make a smooth, runny paste. Step 2. Stir well and apply to get rid of acne. Mix well and use baking soda for acne. Use a cotton swab to apply the baking soda and apple cider vinegar mask on acne affected areas or patches. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. Softly pat dry your skin and use an oil-free moisturizer.